Rocky's Garage. Rocky, it's Rocky. Rocky's Garage. Rocky, he'll fix anything.
Rocky and Skye stop a meteor. Ugh. What's more fun than catching fireflies? A firefly catching me? Achoo! Hey! It's our high-flying Paw Patrol pilot, Skye. I wonder what's up. Other than her helicopter, I mean. Wait! There is something else up! Oh no! There's a meteor headed straight for Adventure Bay! We need to act fast. Let's build something to knock that chunk of rock back into space before it's too late. I have an idea on how we can use this bin lid, rubber hose, and these metal beams. Don't lose it, reuse it. The recycling truck can upcycle these old objects into a giant slingshot and help stop this meteor. A slingshot can help catch the huge rock and sling it back into space. I just have to put on the giant wheels first. And for that, I need the right tools. A giant spanner! This is the perfect thing to help attach the huge wheels to the big slingshot. Done! Now that the slingshot is ready, Skye can use her helicopter to guide the meteor here. Her helicopter can help blow the meteor directly towards the slingshot. Just a little more. Here it comes! Yes! We did it! The city's saved! Let's go check on everyone in Adventure Bay. Green means go!